Hello, everybody. We are here today at Hayward Flow Control, visiting with John Stone. John, thank you so much for joining me today. We're excited to learn a little bit more about Hayward Flow Control and your exciting new product. You have the YSH Series Y strainer that we're going to talk about in a little bit. But first, I understand you are celebrating a very significant milestone this year.
Yeah, so this is Hayward's 100th anniversary. Been in business since 1925. A great American story of a gentleman who came over at 12 years old, immigrated, eventually took over the business in the 50s and grew it to what it is today. So celebrating 100 years, which is a huge milestone for many companies.
Such a testament to your ability to withstand time and evolve and grow and change and be there for your customers.
Right.
Yeah, that's amazing. So let's talk about the YSH Series Y. This is a new innovation, and it builds on, you have a very successful predecessor to this product that's been around for quite a long time. It's much beloved, very popular in the industry.
Right.
So why redesign it? What was your end goal? What was your motivation there?
So the YS Series is our current product, has been around for over 50 years, and it's just one of these things, it's a generational change. And as we're making changes to our tooling and upgrading the product, we're putting a lot of new design features into it. So just taking the opportunity to, again, enhance it, take something that was good and make it better.
Excellent.
Or great and make it even greater.
That's wonderful. And I understand it is BABA compliant. This is a big issue here in our industry.
Yeah, most of what Hayward Flow Control produces is BABA compliant. We are produced, all of our products are produced in North Carolina. So most of, I would say 90% of our products are BABA compliant.
That's fantastic.
Yep.
That's wonderful. So let's dive into some of the really key features.
Sure.
I know performance was really top of mind. So talk me through some of the really big improvements performance-wise.
Yeah, so from a performance perspective, we've added, we changed the angle of the barrel. And so that has improved the flow capacity, and we also enlarged the barrel size, barrel diameter, and we improved the strainer element as well to make flow more direct through the strainer element, which gives you a higher CV value, which reduces pressure drop. So that was a big performance enhancement that we incorporated with the new design.
That's great. Yeah, that strainer is really a cool feature, right? It really helps improve, maintenance and ease of servicing and so forth.
Right.
Yeah,
yep.
That's fantastic. So let's talk a little bit more about dependability and versatility. I know that these were also things that you had in mind when you were designing this product. So how does that the new product answer those needs?
Yeah, so just versatility-wise, it's available with true union ends, integral socket ends, integral threaded ends. So we get 3 different end types, which is very convenient for our customers. They don't need to, do a lot of extra installation depending on what kind of system they're running. We've got an orange cap for identification for PVC, black cap for CPVC. So, in-field identification, a lot of times you're in a darker environment, in a piping system, it's easier to identify from a distance what material is going through. PVC and CPVC are different colors, but oftentimes can be confused. So that's kind of a highlight. Also on the element side, we've designed in a snap-in feature so that you can, the operator can snap the element in, remove it, also making the element from a piece of extruded tubing and then perforating it. So it's much stronger and again, replaceable. And then the cap itself is designed with a deeper pocket. So any debris that is collected gets out of the way of the strainer and again, opens up that flow through the device.
So now let's talk about safety. This is so important in our critical industries, right? What kinds of features have been built into the new product to really enhance and address safety?
So compared to the old, the YS Series, which is our current design, had an internal thread on it with a cap that threaded into the body. And in this design, on the YSH Series, we've moved to an external thread, and it's buttress thread, so it's a stronger thread. And also, being external, the pressure expands the unit into the threads, so you get a better retention of the cap. So the second thing we did was, on the operator removes the cap, there's a piston seal that backs out of its seat, and so it allows pressure and or flow to evacuate from the unit before they've disengaged the threads. So it keeps the operator safe. The cap doesn't, come off before that pressure is relieved. So it also gives them indication that, hey, this thing may still be under pressure. So it may stop them from doing something that could be dangerous. So
excellent.
The other thing we've added is the differential tap ports for installing gauges, indoor differential pressure gauges, so they can monitor the differential pressure across the element, which is important in straining. And that's available in sizes 1 inch and larger. So another safety feature we have is the laser marking, and that gives the unit permanent marking. It also includes a QR code, so the operator can go right to the IOM of the YSH Y strainer and get to any information they would need in terms of maintenance, repair, installation, or just operation. So,
Oh, that's great. So they always have all the information they need right at their fingertips.
right at the fingertips, just
Fantastic.
through their cell phone,
That's
any
awesome.
QR reader.
That's fantastic. So a lot of great safety features, and of course performance and dependability and versatility.
Right.
Congratulations on such a great product.
Thank you.
And thanks for joining us to give us an overview.
Sure, thank you.
If our viewers want to learn a little bit more, where would you send them?
HaywardFlowControl.com.
Perfect. John, thanks again. It was a pleasure chatting with you today, and congratulations on your 100th anniversary.
Thank you.
And thanks to all of you for tuning in.